Today, we're going to make the best burger with the worst name. This is the Mississippi Slug Burger. The origins of this burger are early America, basically right at the dawn of the 20th century. Mississippi, people were very poor, and meat did not go as far as you needed it to, so it was cut with other things. Originally, I believe it was potato flakes, but we're going to use breadcrumbs, which is what they use now. I'm going to use these potato rolls, though, to make my breadcrumbs and also eat the burger because I figure potato roll, kind of similar to potato flakes. We're going to cut off just the tops and kind of like that skin of a bun. I don't know what the actual scientific term is. We're just going to throw those in an oven at 175 degrees for about an hour. You can see they get nice and stale. That's what you're looking for. You can just leave these out overnight, but I think this yields a better result because you want them a little bit soft. Just blast those in a food processor for a quick 15 seconds. You want them fairly large still, but nice and broken up. And now we're going to mix that in with the meat. This is just about half a pound of meat, and I'm going to mix that with 4 ounces of breadcrumbs. 2 to 1 is a great ratio for this. It's going to look like it's a lot, but as you mix it in, it'll kind of really work together nicely. Here's kind of what you're looking for at the end result. You want those big chunks of bread. That was, potato flour, potato flakes previously, and that is your burger. It kind of looks like a meatball. And that's kind of what I got overall vibe from this, but we'll get there. I'm going to cook this. They were historically kind of deep fried. I'm going to shallow fry this in a little bit of beef tallow. I'm also going to add a little bit of regular vegetable oil, cooking oil into this just because I don't have enough tallow and I want this to be a fairly good size frying level. Once I get about 1/8 of an inch of frying oil into this pan, I'm going to form my burgers. That's what I'm looking for right there. These aren't smash burgers, so get them fairly well shaped right off the start. And they won't shrink a lot, so you don't need to really worry about that. And throw it in. You want them to right away really start to fry off here. I'm going to hit one side with salt. Historically, because salt and pepper cost money, none was used in this. So that's just a little flair for today, but you don't need to do that historically. And now I'm going to just kind of rotate these every kind of 2 minutes. The bread is going to burn, which is the goal of this. It turns very nice golden brown like that. So moving it around fairly often will kind of keep you from like really burning it. That's what you're looking for, end result. It's not burnt, it's brown, it's Maillard reaction. That's perfect, and that's where the flavor of this burger is. That's all you need to do. Historically, this was just mustard and pickles, so that's what we're going to do. There's no cheese on this. It's just a burger, hamburger. If you want cheese, this isn't the burger for you, but trust me, you're not going to need it. Once we get those pickles on there, I'm just going to throw that meat on there, and we are ready to go. I'm very excited to see what this tastes like. Looking at it, it's definitely crispier than a regular burger in way less time. Deep frying it is kind of a nice little trick, but diving into the actual taste, this is really, really good. The crispiness you get from those bread pieces that are all throughout it, the bread also soaks up on the inner level the fat that renders out, so it's juicy, it's really, really nice. The crispiness is something that's hard to match. This is way better than it looks for just like what you think a fried burger is going to taste like. Give this a try. It's definitely unique. I don't think you're going to be disappointed. It is a very unique, delicious tasting burger.